shines bright. A humble almsgiver, spreading love and light. With a heart so vast, like the endless sea, he walks through the storm, setting all souls free. Oh, the great almsgiver, with compassion so wide, in every step he takes, love and hope provide. Through trials and hardships, his spirit stays strong. In the arms of the Buddha, he knows where he belongs. Barefoot on the path, he journeys alone, with just one meal a day. In his heart, love is sown. He sleeps in the shadows, where the lost souls roam. Yet his laughter echoes, bringing all hearts home. Oh, the great almsgiver, with compassion so wide, in every step he takes, love and hope provide. Through trials and hardships, his spirit stays strong. In the arms of the Buddha, he knows where he belongs. He teaches us kindness, to feel and to care, to share in heal each sorrow, to lighten the despair. With every gentle word, he plants seeds of peace. In a world full of chaos, he brings sweet release. From the mountains to rivers, his journey unfolds. A tapestry of love in every story told. He lights up the darkness like a lighthouse so bright, guiding lost souls home with a compassionate hand. Oh, the great almsgiver, with compassion so wide, in every step he takes, love and hope provide. Through trials and hardships, his spirit stays strong. In the arms of the Buddha, he knows where he belongs. Vietnam, we are proud of this noble soul, a guardian of love, making broken hearts whole. With his boundless love, he makes life so bright. The great almsgiver.